Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the microphone on your PlayStation 4 controller without a headset. First, ensure your controller is connected and recognized by your console, typically through a USB cable or by pressing the PlayStation button. This built-in microphone is discreetly located on the front of the controller, between the two analog sticks. It offers a convenient and accessible way to communicate directly with friends during gameplay or party chat. From the quick menu, scroll down and select Sound/Devices, typically the third or fourth option. Here, you will find critical options for both input and output devices, so pay close attention. Confirm that your controller's microphone is indeed selected as the active input device, often labeled controller. This setting ensures the console is correctly listening for your voice through the integrated mic, not searching for a headset. You can also adjust the overall volume from this very menu. Inside the Adjust Microphone Level submenu, you will see a visual bar indicating your voice input. Speak normally and aim for the bar to consistently hit the good range, which is typically around 60 to 80% of the full bar. Avoid letting it constantly reach the red, as this indicates distortion. Positioning yourself about 1 foot from the controller often provides optimal clarity for other players. Remember, the controller's microphone is convenient but offers basic sound quality, not on par with a dedicated headset. It might pick up more ambient room noise, so speaking in a quieter environment will help significantly. For the best communication clarity and comfort during extended gaming sessions, a headset remains the optimal choice. However, for quick chats or casual use, the controller's mic works perfectly fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.